Alright, here we go guys, this is the unboxing of the tech rope. This could be a moment in history for Rush Athletics, our first digital rope.
My guy, you are always late.
Look at this guy, yeah.
How you doing, bro?
What's happening, man?
I'm good.
You're right?
Yeah.
So somehow this guy ends up late and I end up later. How you doing?
We're always late.
How you feeling?
I'm good, bro. I'm good. Today is gonna be a good day. I'm rested.
You're rested?
Yeah.
What'd you get up to in the weekend?
Probably not YouTube friendly.
Yeah.
Had a good weekend.
You had a good weekend, yeah?
Had a good weekend.
Good. We're about to create some magic today, yeah?
Yeah. Studio shots all day, and yeah, just gonna do some rope stuff. Didn't know about the tech rope.
Don't know about it. This video will be the tech rope video.
Okay, safe.
Sick. I think that's the tech rope coming in.
Yeah?
I think so. The first time the world sees it, man, properly.
Ooh.
First time I see it properly as well, because we've done some. We'll see it in a minute, man. But you'll see the packaging and stuff. It's gonna hopefully look crisp. It's exciting. This is my boy Bonnie as well. Maybe Bonnie will get on camera.
Oi, introduce the delivery guys.
Yeah. I don't know. He's a bit shy.
Oh, okay.
Are you alright to be on YouTube? Are you not sure?
No.
Oh.
Okay.
It's exciting times, Bonnie. This is we've been waiting for this for a while. This one.
Okay.
Our first digital rope, guys. Taking the game to the next level. Fresh trim. By the way, I got fresh trim today.
Ooh, is it?
Look.
Looking clean,
Right.
bro. Looking clean. This is brilliant. I don't get a help because I got to film.
Bonnie's going to be concealed from YouTube.
Yeah, no
He's
face.
just going to be known as just Bonnie the Legend. We'll only ever hear the voice. We'll never see the face.
Yeah.
Okay.
We're only going to see hands in a high vis.
I always ask people if they ever want to get on my channel, because obviously it goes out to a few people. So
Yeah.
sometimes it's good not to.
I'm quite popular.
Look at that. Jeez. Fresh deliveries.
It's
See you soon.
Right. First things first, guys. Saturday was insane. Like, I want to say thank you again, everyone who got involved. It was our record-breaking launch. We've had probably about, I haven't really counted, but we've had about 10 launches since we started, which is about 18 months. And what happened on Saturday was like something we've never seen. So for the last 3-4 days straight, it was a bank holiday here as well in the UK. We worked right through it. Gigi's been putting in the hard work. She's been ill as well. Let me do a quick run through of what the gym looks like, guys. We've got the usual bagging station here. This is where we put all the parcels when we're done with them, and then we bag them up. It's kind of like organized now by kind of names of what it is and the sizes, and we've got just stock everywhere. So that's the first thing that you're going to see.
It's messy in here, bro.
It's messy.
It's messy.
The packaging table is, I thought it was kind of neat, but it's messy again. So
I mean, yeah, but the most important thing, the hot sauce. The hot sauce.
I'm going to show you Nathan's side now.
Oh, yeah. Are you serious?
It's like, look, you got.
What is this? Rishi, this is not okay, bro. Have you seen this mess?
Well,
This is not how I left it, guys. This is not how I left it. Like, my table isn't even in place.
going forward, what I need to do is first of all get another shelf in here, because now we've got this new stuff coming in. I've got new legacy ropes coming in, orange, green, pink. Everyone that wanted all those crazy neon colours, they're coming. And then also working on fresh new freestyle ropes as well, which we'll talk about later in the vlog. So lots are coming. So I need to get another shelf, and I'm thinking of doing, like, I don't know what you think about this, bro, but I'm thinking of doing how we've done the shelves here. Put another massive shelf going along this beam. Then this is where people can just package one here, and then on the other side of that shelf is like the
Office space.
So it's kind of separate.
So we have 3 sections, basically.
Yeah, so you've got
studio,
stock, and then office over there. Chill. Netflix and office and chill.
We need a mini fridge over there.
Yeah, we need a little bar. It's going to be kind of crazy in this section, but I think it's going to look nice.
But yeah.
In case you're wondering, quick outfit of the day, wearing the full tracksuit, full kit tracksuit, TRWF joggers. These are the new ones, and then
I need to cop some of these. I like these.
These are banging, man. I've literally been wearing these tracksuits like every day, and these have been super popular, along with the zippy as well. Big fat boy.
That's a mirror.
Can you draw my logo? Do you know it off by heart without looking? That's not bad. That's not bad.
Nearly.
That's not bad. So this is us trying to be organised for once, Nathan.
This is why I'm here.
That's it.
To bring some structure and the media.
Can you bring structure to a place like this? That is the mission. Look at this, man. It is, what time is it? 12:30 right now. I'm working on Rope Rush stuff. We'll be sending out all the emails to everyone who's coming down with registration forms and all this kind of admin stuff. That's what I do best. Hate admin. And then we've also got some ideas down on the whiteboard. Kind of point to probably. You can't really see it there. And then I'm gonna be unboxing the first ever tech rope. Not live because it's never live, but live on camera. I'm excited, man. It's been 4 months in the making. This bad boy. You excited?
I'm excited. I'm excited to shoot it.
Are you into skipping yet? How many skips have you done?
Skipping? Well, I mean, should I let them into my secret that I do this other thing called running?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
So been kind of rerunning the Breaking Bad series. We watched these, I think about 5 years ago now, G and I, and we've just been keeping that on in the background whilst we're doing all the orders. Nathan stepped out to take a phone call. I have just finished my admin and email work. Had to get that Rope Rush registration email out to everyone who's coming, and I'm super excited about that. We're about 10 days away, 9 days now nearly. It's just come around so quickly because of all the madness that's been happening here. So since we launched last Saturday for the Sky Royalty, the Rope Rush one has just been creeping up in the background, and I've got to really get organised for that. So tons and tons and tons of things to do, guys. See, I can have that clip in there. Oh shit. Here we go, guys. This is the unboxing of the tech rope. This could be a moment in history for Rush Athletics, our first digital rope. This is the first look at the box that I'm seeing as well, properly, to be honest with you. Looks good, guys. This is the tech rope, the digital rope. This is the one that's going to change the game for us. So now we've got the money rope, which is the speed rope. We've got the legacy rope, which is the heavy rope. And then now we're bringing in some technology. And we're going to do a proper video on this, like a proper review video. But today, Nathan's going to take some pictures. I'm going to take it out of the box. You're going to see just a better look at it. And yeah, man, I'm just going to tell you more about it in another video. I reckon we'll do another kind of workout and stuff with it. You can see how it works with the app. But looks fresh, right?
Yeah, bro, I like it.
I'm excited.
Are we unboxing it now to show the audience?
Let's unbox it now, yeah. So you're going to get some instructions in here.
Some paperwork.
Some paperwork. You need to make sure you read this paperwork. I know everyone doesn't want to.
Yo, Rush, who reads paperwork?
You need to read it. You need to read these instructions. It's going to get you started the right way. You're also going to get this cool card just to say thank you from us lot. And then straight to the bad boy here. So what you're going to get 2 ropes, so 2 cords to come with it. So you can choose the orange to match the orange or go with the black. And then we've got also the handles, which have foam grip with the orange, has nice kind of accents together here. And then we've got branding on one of the handles, and then the other handle has the screen, the display, the big 20-inch LCD. I'm gassed, guys. Like I feel good to get this in my hands. Like every time I get a new product, it feels like good. Like normally it's apparel, but when you get a new rope that you've been working on for months and months, and it's gone from design to sketches to samples back and forth, when you get the first one, like it just feels good, man. So I'm glad we got it on camera, bro.
I'm happy, bro. They look sick.
It looks good, right?
Yeah, they look really clean.
He's YouTube friendly, yeah?
So what's up to the...
Introduce yourself.
Darren, Postman, Streatham, looking after the customers.
We've come prepared.
You make your own double-sided sticky tape.
That's it, man. How do the grips feel, man?
They're really soft, bro.
Feel nice?
I'm not a jump rope person. So for me, like the other one's stuck down. I can't take it off now.
Yeah.
In position, but this feels like, you know.
It feels like it's not going to come out your hand, right?
Yeah, that feels sturdy.
Yep.
Like
it's not going to slip.
Like, you know, I don't know how you jump rope, but
we're going to teach you. But that's one thing.
That ain't coming out my hand.
No, it's good. That's one thing because
it's soft, it's comfortable, and it feels like the perfect length with the weight. I don't know the weight. There's a bit weighted here, so like,
yeah.
No, it feels good, man.
So it's nice, right?
Yeah, I like it.
What is cracking, family? Day 2 is now currently 10 AM. I'm on my way to Canary Wharf to go meet Nathan. You're gonna hear a really loud train coming in 3, 2. Train is approaching the platform, but I'm off to Canary Wharf to go check Nathan. We're gonna go shoot today. We're gonna be shooting the tech rope. Right, so on the train now to London Bridge. To get to Canary Wharf, I have to get this straight train. Well, it's not a straight train, but it stops everywhere. But it takes me about half an hour to get to London Bridge. Like, this has been nearly 5 months, 6 months in the making. Last year I talked about bringing out a digital rope. I even talked about the potential idea of going on a TV show called Dragon's Den in the UK, which I think is similar to Shark Tank or something, but it's a show where I was thinking of going on to, like, yeah, tell them this idea, talk about investments, talk about what we could do to create something like this. And in the end, after such an incredible 2018 for RA, we were able to, yeah, just put in our own money to create this, to, yeah, create technology, to work with manufacturers, to work with app developers, and I feel like it's just a blessing. This rope is I mean, every rope that we bring out has its own story, like the money rope, the legacy rope, and I think the tech rope will have such an epic story to tell as well in the future. That's why I'm so gassed and excited about bringing this out to the world. It has something very different to offer than the speed rope, than the legacy rope. So I'm super excited, guys, and just wanted to share that little moment with you. The real OGs will remember this little space at London Bridge Station. I'll give you a little clue. The truth is, we're lost. Right, this is where we shot a little portion of the legacy video nearly a year ago, actually, man. I used to walk through this hall every single day going to work, and brings back good memories, man. This little trip brings back good memories. When I go towards Canary Wharf, like for a lot of years of my life, I was doing this same trip in the morning, in the evening, in the rat race. Tons and tons of people, trains delayed. Now I'm holding cameras for a living, and we're helping to change lives. So we've turned it around, guys. You guys have helped me turn it around, and that's why I love you. Let's go. Working on my Insta post, caramel latte. Tunnel, any tunnel works for us right now. Yeah. But we've just realized that the ceiling height, I can touch it, is too kind of low for skipping. So we're gonna plan, today we're planning obviously the tech rope promo and everything else around that. So we're not gonna be able to skip with the tech rope in here. But I feel like we're gonna be able to get some boss shots. Ooh. Focus. Oh, they look sick, bro. Love that. Yo, people, 1:45. Got some good shots?
Oh yeah, some insane shots.
I think we got some good shots, man. Got myself a Mexican chicken from Pure. This brand out, really nice, healthy chicken, salad, and loads of hot sauce. Right guys, tested the tech rope today, gonna get 20 skips done. Gonna show you what it looks like on the screen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. There you are. 20 on the dot, guys. Hopefully you can see that. Day done, this is it, bro.
Day done.
You're off?
Yeah, going home.
Good,
rest.
good day shooting?
Yeah, we got some amazing content for the new tech rope, and it should be up within this week.
Anyway, Nathan's on his way.
Yeah.
I am.
We've got some amazing content.
We're gonna kill it, man. We're gonna kill it.
Just make sure you keep an eye on all the socials.
Go follow this guy, man. he's got funny stories. Killed it. Yeah. As always, man. I'm gonna get a coffee.
I'll catch you soon.
I'll catch you soon.
I'll text you, call me.
That's it.
Answer your phone.